How to fix Duolingo app not working on Android and iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to discuss about fixing the Duolingo app issues on your iPhone or Android. So now let's get started. So here are some ways to troubleshoot your Duolingo app. First of all, you need to go ahead and make sure that you've installed the latest version of Duolingo application on your mobile device. To ensure that, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store if you're using your Android phone. And you need to open your App Store if you're using iPhone. Go to the search bar and then simply search for Duolingo application. Once you find the application and if you see an update button, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color, instead of open, simply tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. Well, after that, try clearing the cache of the app. So go ahead and tap and hold on to this application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. From here, scroll down and then go to storage. Then tap on clear cache. Come back, try disabling or force stopping this application and then re-enable it. If you're using iPhone, go ahead and upload the application. Go to iPhone storage and then select the Duolingo application. Tap on upload app and then after uploading, tap on reinstall app and you'll be done. Also enable all the permissions for Duolingo. So go to Duolingo and allow necessary permissions like storage and notifications, whatever is necessary. And disable the VPN or battery saver as these features might interfere with the Duolingo. And if none of these steps work, you can contact the Duolingo support through app or at support.duolingo.com. Now go ahead and also try uninstalling this application. Simply tap and hold on to it, tap on uninstall or tap on remove app and then tap on OK to confirm. Then open the Play Store or App Store according to your device and then reinstall it from over here. After this, simply launch the Duolingo app, and before that, you can restart your entire device and see if the problem is resolved. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.